go to your Facebook and you can go to your profile. In profile you have to like click on this photo icon, camera icon, and click on upload photo. So in here you will find you'll have to like find the photo you wanna upload. So I'm going to go to desktop and select a photo and click on open. So you have to like select your photo view, but if you click on crop photo then it will crop it, so make sure not to crop it and select the view only. Like the view, it will show in this circle and you have to click on save. So you may think that the photo has been cropped, but it is like the thumbnail only for the profile picture. You have to click on your profile picture and click on view profile picture. You will see the whole photo. So let's check on newsfeed if the thing has been done properly or not. So in this photos option you can see that photo. In profile picture you can see that the photo is like fully showing and it will appear to other people like public as the full photo too, but they will first see the thumbnail as like Facebook has updated their thing. But when you like when they will like click, it will show the entire picture. So make sure to like select the view while uploading photo to according to your choice. Like if you select this portion, then it will only show this part in the thumbnail, but when they will click it, it will show the entire picture. So that's how you can upload full photo on Facebook. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.